Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, we will see how to install vSRX on GNS3. So the first thing is I have already opened a GNS3 project named GNCIA and I have gone to all the devices section, browse to that and then selected available appliances, sorted it with the keyword SRX. So you can see the vSRX icon on the devices pane. We will drag and drop into the or we will double click on that and it will ask us to add the appliance. We have already downloaded the appliances QCOW file, but I think we need to do some minor adjustments. Then only it will the thing is that you can add it to this particular topology, or else what you can do from your side is you can create a custom one as well. So let's see how we can add the new device via the appliance file. Here it is defined as Juniper vSRX, and vSRX offers firefold speed up to 17 Gbps, only utilizing 2 CPUs and scalable. And for the version 12, we can use only 1 GB RAM, and for all other version, we need to go for 4 GB RAM. So these are the requirements. Category is the firewall, product name is Juniper, and it's experimental one. Architecture is 64-bit, KVM is required. Click next. We'll run it on the GNS3 VM and click next. Next again. And we will create a custom version for today's one. So let's go to the downloaded software and we'll copy the file name. I'll open my Notepad++. Notepad++ is really good for editing purpose, especially for a network engineer comparing configurations. You can use it as a to-do list, everything. So I'll just copy paste the stuff here. Okay, I'll just remove this. I just want to copy the version. Okay, this is the version. I'll be copying this file. Copy, create a new version, and I'll put the version name here. Okay, GNS Media vSRX VM disk. Okay, we need to have identical name here. So I'll double check the name side by side. I'll keep this to the left and this one to the right and see if the names are identical. GNS Media vSRX. So the final version or final thing only we need to be careful. Media, okay, or else we will check from our Notepad++ file. 1 second. GNS-media-vSRX-X. Okay, we'll modify the name like this. vSRX hyphen. Okay, we'll remove this hyphen 18.2 R 1.9 it is showing, but here you can see okay 1.9.9.qcloud2. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see. GNS Media vSRX hyphen x86 vmdisk 8.12.19. So you can see that this naming is almost similar, but with a little bit change, but a little bit of change is required. Okay, so we will remove this. So it will be GNS Media vSRX vmdisk hyphen. There is no need to create a custom one. Only thing is that you need to change the name to match the existing template file. GNS Media vSRX vmdisk hyphen 18.2. This will make one r dot. Okay, one more thing is that don't go for that, because if you do that, issue is that sometimes there is something called MD5 file which will match the MD5 values of your image and the template image, and if that is not matching, it will not allow you to copy the file. So we will go with the custom version itself and we will modify the name accordingly. Juno vSRX X8. I will remove this X86 64 component. VM disk 8.2 R 1.9.9 dot qcow2. Qcow2 no need to change. We'll just copy this and rename our image to the new name. So just press F2, copy paste the same. Now we will click import. We will go to downloads and from the Juno file. So you can see that the file is accepted by GNS3 and the upload is going on. We have to wait till the upload is completed. Once we are done with that, we will add the appliance to GNS3 and we will try to start it up. I have tried to start two versions of vSRX and I was not successful. So let's see whether this version is working or not. This is the latest version that is available in the Juniper site. If you want to download the image, you have to just select one of the templates, click download, and it will take you to the download site of Juniper from where you can download all the latest images. If you want to see which image you want to download, just go to the downloads site. I have already logged in here with my account, and here you can see multiple images are available. So the one which you have to go for is the vSRX KVM appliance. So there are two versions. I have gone for the 18.2. I think 18.1 is the latest version available within GNS3. So see, this particular thing was released in 30 June 2000 on 30 June 2018. There won't be basic features available in all these images will be almost identical. But if you want to do advanced stuffs, something in that case only you need to go for specific images. Otherwise, almost all things will work across the images. So I think the upload is finished now. We will just select the image, click next. It's asking whether we want to install vSRX version. Yes. And we will select this x86-64 Chrome image, which is only one available. Click next. And click next. Okay, there. Okay, finish. Okay. We'll just drag and drop the installed image for this particular vSRX to the topology and start the image. So you can see that the loading Linux prompt is coming. For my last attempt, loading Linux attempt came and then it showed me the same error. So let's see why it is happening and we'll try to troubleshoot the same. I had done the necessary troubleshooting and came to know that the whatever error we were facing is because CPU performance counter option is not supporting on my CPU. I waited for a little bit more time and the vSRX image got booted up and I was able to access it just like normal vSRX setup and I was able to run all the commands and it was very successful. I hope this particular video was really informative for you guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest uploads.